All right, today we're working on a Yonezawa Atomic Robot Man. This big guy runs on two C cells, so 3-volt system. It also has an internal voice box, but it's the old style voice box, mechanical. And that voice box is not operated by 3 volts. There's a bus bar right there in the center between the two C cells where it picks up 1.5 volts and sends that to the voice box. It's operable, but it runs way too fast. So to alleviate that, there's a variable resistor right here that you can move back and forth on this resistor coil. When you move it, it has no effect at all on the sound. Let me see if I can crank this thing up here to show you.
I am the atomic-powered robot. Please give my best wishes to everybody. I am bulletproof, too.
See what I mean? Sounds like the chipmunks are trapped in there. So I think what the problem is this resistor. Right there is where the terminal comes up from, the 1.5 volts. And then it travels through here and back up this coil. That wire right there should be soldered to that coil so that you can vary that voltage output. It looks like a factory defect to me. So what we're going to do is go ahead and disassemble the speaker and try not to disrupt the mechanical stylus here. And we'll reroute this wire, see if that works.